Hello guys. So today what we will be doing is we will be creating one sign up form, and in that we will take first name, last name, mobile address, email, and password. So for that, let's get rid of all these things. So let me do these things like the whole body tag. Yeah. So now let's rename it to sign up form. This is sign up. And then here what we'll be taking is first name, last name, mobile. So let's take first name and then it will be input. As I have already told that we need to take text box, then we just write here text. And since it's a first name, so we will take the name as a name. You can take it whatever you want. And similarly, there are few more attributes that is ID. So we will take ID also as F name. And yeah, for first name, that's it. And for last name, just copy paste and write L name here and here. So first name, last name is done. Now we have mobile. So for mobile, we will be using input type equals to number because no one will enter the alphabets in the mobile name. Mobile. So for this, that is mobile and ID equals to mobile. After this, we need to take address, email, password. For address, we will be taking the text area because address will be of more than one line, so we will take text area. So this also name equals to address and ID equals to address. And then it's password. So password will be of type password. So we will write password here. That should be the password because we don't want anyone to say it. And name is PWD and ID also PWD. And for confirm password, we'll take it also as password and name will be confirm password, that is CPWD, and ID equals to CPWD. And since we have a form, so there should be any kind of submit button also. So we will take, you can use like button and then we can write it like sign up, or we can do it in other manner, that is input type equals to button. And for here we write submit, and whatever we write in value here will be shown on the button. So if I write sign up all caps, now if I save and refresh here, so you can see we have two buttons. One is created by using button tags and the other is created by using input tags. So we will be using the input type equals to button because we need to submit our form using form submit method. We will be using input type equals to button. Now let's make it a small sign up. So since this all is in one line now, so we need to have it on the different lines. So we will introduce one div tag. So let's move all this in a simple div tag, and after that we'll keep every field in separate layers. First name and then last name. Now you can see they are in different lines. So div tag is basically used when we will be writing the bootstrap classes, and it is basically used to separate the divs line by line. Now all the fields are separated using the and the button as well. Yes, so now they are in the single and separate lines. So you can see right now those are not aligned and those are not having any space in between them. So that we will do using the help of CSS. But since we have created a sign up form, so there should be one heading also, div tag, and using the h3, we will write sign up. So this is our sign up form with first name, last name, mobile address, password, and confirm password. Now, what should we do is we must give some kind of we must define some CSS for now. So for CSS, I already told that we use style tags. So let's write the style tag. And in here, since we have these IDs, so we can take all these IDs. I'm just pressing Control and doing mouse click so we can select all at the same time. So I have selected all these, and for ID we use hash. So since app name is ID, so we use hash, and we'll be writing some CSS for that. Similarly for L name, we'll be writing some CSS. Similarly for mobile, we'll be writing some CSS, and similarly for address also. Similarly for password and confirm password. We can write like this if we need to define the same CSS for two IDs or two classes. Classes, when we take like class and then write app name. So if we take it like this, so class is defined with the help of dot. Like if we not need to write the class and then CSS, then we will write it like this. But right now we are using the ID, so I'm using hash. So let's remove it and remove class here also. Now, since we have the first name, so you can see we have first name, but below that there is no space. Space means margin. So let's create margin bottom of 5. And let's copy paste it for all of it. Now if I refresh, so you can see some space here. So we have the space, and now we need this whole form to be on somewhat here. So for that also we have few definitions, few classes. So that will be more easy if we use it using the bootstrap. So right now I'm not making it center aligned. I will do it later when we will be using CSS. Test, test, and some mobile number like 679 and address and then password. So password is I'm writing 1 2 3 4 5 6 here. Right now it won't be having any validations since we are entering the password and confirm password, but we are not using the JS for validating. And for on clicking on sign up also, we are not getting any response like the data is saved or something. So we will do all these things step by step. So since currently we have created the sign up form, so on my next video I'll be showing you more like how we will be submitting the data. And before that, we'll be doing one connection on the database and we will store that data onto our database using JQuery. Thank you guys, and please like, share, and subscribe.